Equity Podcast, Stitch Fix tumbles, stocks go crypto and VCs still love unicorns. Hello and welcome back to Equity, TechCrunch's venture capital-focused podcast where we unpack the numbers behind the headlines. This week the crew Katie Roof, Matthew Lynley, Alex Wilhelm were joined Jeff Richards, a managing partner at GGV. GGV has raised nearly $4 billion to invest, according to Crunchbase. This week we turned our eyes to Stitch Fix's first ever earnings report as a public company. As you may recall, we've spent time on the Stitch Fix IPO given that it drove a bit of disagreement regarding if, or if not it was a success. The firm's financial miss but market disappointment in its financial report did little to quell the discussion. Moving ahead, the stock market is doing something silly that we wanted to touch on. Back in the dot-com boom, non-tech companies would boost their share price by adding "com" to their name. Billy's megaroofing.com, for example, and so forth. We're back to that again, but this time it's blockchain that companies are stapling to their name tags, in hopes of attracting Bitcoin bulls to their equity. It's gross and bad. And finally, we went back to the heart of the show, digging into recent data showing that venture capitalists haven't dispersed more money this cycle. And that the number of rounds funded per quarter is dramatically calling. That means that fewer rounds are happening at higher dollar amounts. That sounds like unicorns, right? Yes it does. All that and I was sick. We had fun, and have something coming next week that you will love.